This is Computer Tech World. Computer Tech World. Computer Tech World.
ಪ್ರಿಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನೀವಿನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ಹಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಈ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಲು
Subscribe to this channel.
Icon ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪರಮಪಾಪಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲೆಂದು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಮಾಡುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವೇ ಮೊದಲು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
List of non-visual desktop access or NVDA keystrokes. NVDA plus 1 toggle keyboard help. NVDA plus 2 toggle speak typed characters. NVDA plus 3 toggle speak typed words. NVDA plus 4 toggle speak command keys. NVDA plus 5 toggle report dynamic content changes. NVDA plus 6 toggle caret moves review cursor. NVDA plus 7 toggle focus moves navigator object on desktop keyboard. NVDA plus C report text in clipboard. NVDA plus control plus 7 toggle focus moves navigator object on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus control plus C caret save configuration. NVDA plus control plus F1 speak application name and app module. NVDA plus control plus F2 toggle announcement on progress bar updates on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus control plus R reset configuration. NVDA plus end report status bar. NVDA plus F12 say time. NVDA plus F2 pass next key through. NVDA plus M toggle mouse tracking on desktop keyboard. NVDA plus N show NVDA menu. NVDA plus P toggle speak punctuation. NVDA plus Q quit NVDA. NVDA plus S toggle speech mode. NVDA plus Shift plus B say battery status. NVDA plus Shift plus M toggle mouse tracking on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus U toggle announcement on progress bar updates on desktop keyboard. Press twice NVDA plus F12 say date. Alt plus Control plus left arrow move to previous cell in row. Alt plus Control plus right arrow move to next cell in row. NVDA plus A, say all on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus B speak foreground window. NVDA plus Control plus B show virtual buffer settings dialog. NVDA plus Control plus D show document formatting settings dialog. NVDA plus Control plus down arrow decrease current voice setting. NVDA plus Control plus G show general settings dialog. NVDA plus Control plus K show keyboard settings dialog. NVDA plus Control plus left arrow move to previous voice setting. NVDA plus Control plus M show mouse settings dialog. NVDA plus Control plus O show object presentation settings dialog. NVDA plus Control plus right arrow move to next voice setting. NVDA plus Control plus S show synthesizer selection dialog. NVDA plus Control plus T tether braille display to focus review cursor. NVDA plus Control plus up arrow increase current voice setting. NVDA Control plus V show voice settings dialog. NVDA plus Control plus Z show Python console useful for developers. NVDA plus down arrow say all on desktop keyboard. NVDA plus F say formatting information. NVDA plus T speak title bar. NVDA plus T press twice copy title bar to clipboard. NVDA plus T press twice spell title bar. NVDA plus tab report current focused object. NVDA plus up arrow report current line. Alt plus Control plus down arrow move to next cell in column. Alt plus Control plus up arrow move to previous cell in column. NVDA Numpad subtract move review cursor to caret cursor on desktop keyboard. NVDA plus, say navigator objects current dimensions on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus Control plus I say current navigator object on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus Control plus I press twice copy current Navigator object to clipboard on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus Control plus I press twice spell current Navigator object on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus Control plus J set Navigator to previous object on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus Control plus L set Navigator object to next object on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus Enter do default action on Navigator object on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus Numpad 2 set Navigator to first child on desktop keyboard. NVDA plus Numpad 4 set Navigator to previous object on desktop keyboard. NVDA plus Numpad 5 say current Navigator object on desktop keyboard. NVDA plus Numpad 5 press twice copy current Navigator object to clipboard on desktop keyboard. NVDA plus Numpad 5 press twice spell current Navigator object on desktop keyboard. NVDA plus Numpad 6 set Navigator object to next object on desktop keyboard. NVDA plus Numpad 8 set Navigator to parent object on desktop keyboard. NVDA plus Numpad Elite say Navigator object's current dimensions on desktop keyboard. NVDA plus Numpad Divide move mouse to Navigator object on desktop keyboard. NVDA plus Numpad Multiply move Navigator object to mouse on desktop keyboard. NVDA plus Shift plus set Navigator to first child on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus Shift plus 7 move mouse to Navigator object on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus Shift plus 8 move Navigator object to mouse on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus Shift plus I set Navigator to parent object on laptop keyboard. Control plus Numpad subtract move cursor to review cursor on desktop keyboard. Numpad divide press left mouse button on desktop keyboard. Numpad 1 move review cursor to previous character on desktop keyboard. Numpad 2 say current character at review cursor on desktop keyboard. Numpad 3 move review cursor to next character on desktop keyboard. Numpad multiply press right mouse button on desktop keyboard. Numpad plus A all with review cursor on desktop keyboard. NVDA plus say current character at review cursor on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus move review cursor to cursor on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus say all with review cursor on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus Alt plus 7 activate flat review mode at review cursor position on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus Alt plus J activate object review cursor at flat review position on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus Control plus set Navigator to current focused object on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus Control plus Shift plus 8 press right mouse button on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus M move review cursor to previous character on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus Numpad 1 activate object review cursor at flat review position on desktop keyboard. NVDA plus Numpad 7 activate flat review mode at review cursor position on desktop keyboard. NVDA plus Numpad divide lock unlock left mouse button. NVDA plus Numpad subtract set Navigator to current focused object on desktop keyboard. NVDA plus Shift plus move cursor to review cursor on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus Shift plus 7 press left mouse button on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus Shift plus Numpad subtract set focus to Navigator object on desktop keyboard. NVDA plus Shift plus U move review cursor to start of line on laptop keyboard. Shift plus Numpad 1 move review cursor to start of line on desktop keyboard. Shift plus Numpad multiply lock unlock right mouse button on desktop keyboard. Numpad 4 move review cursor to previous word on desktop keyboard. Numpad 5 say current word at review cursor on desktop keyboard. Numpad 6 move review cursor to next word on desktop keyboard. Numpad 7 move review cursor to previous line on desktop keyboard. Numpad 8 say current line at review cursor on desktop keyboard. Numpad 9 move review cursor to next line on desktop keyboard. NVDA plus move review cursor to next character on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus 7 move review cursor to first line on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus 9 move review cursor to last line on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus Control plus F show find dialog. NVDA plus Control plus space move to parent virtual buffer. NVDA plus F10 retrieve text from start mark and copy till included character. NVDA plus F3 perform find next. NVDA plus F9 mark review cursor position to start copying. NVDA plus I say current line at review cursor on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus J move review cursor to previous word on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus K say current word at review cursor on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus L move review cursor to next word on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus O move review cursor to next line on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus Shift plus O move review cursor to end of line on laptop keyboard. NVDA plus space toggle browse focus mode. NVDA plus U move review cursor to previous line on laptop keyboard. Shift plus Numpad 3 move review cursor to end of line on desktop keyboard. Shift plus Numpad 7 move review cursor to first line on desktop keyboard. Shift plus Numpad 9 move review cursor to last line on desktop keyboard. Web browser B go to the next button. C go to the next combo box. Control stop speech. Control plus Alt plus N restart the NVDA. D go to the next landmark. E go to the edit box. F go to the next form field. G go to the next graphic. H go the next heading. NVDA plus Q quit the NVDA. NVDA plus F5 refresh virtual buffer. NVDA plus F7 show elements list dialog. NVDA plus V toggle screen layout. NVDA plus shift continue speech.